Hi guys, welcome to Hardreset Info channel. Today I have NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro and I want to show you how fix the problem when game not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. If you have the same problem as mine, you search your game as Mobile Legends games and we don't have it right now. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu and tap on our photo on the right corner, where we have settings option and there family and now parental control. Now we have PG3 to Lowland and visible game as Mobile Legends, Teamfight Tactics or Call of Duty games. We need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, confirm by OK, and there we tap on PG16, confirm by got it and save. We can turn off function as parental controls by this switch and we off it. And now it would work. We go to the Mobile Legends games again and it is visible right now. We can install it. See you soon, bye!